Hi there, and thanks for joining me in the studio for our first online art tutorial, my venture into distance learning. How exciting, let's hope it goes well. So today we're going to explore an uncompromising drawing tool, the good old biro. No, sorry, not biro, ballpoint pen. Right, okay, which is normally used as a writing tool. Obviously, many people overlook it as for its potential for drawing, but you know, anything that makes a mark, in my opinion, is a valid implement for drawing with. So here what I've done on this page, so you can see in this area here, I've scribbled with every writing pen I can find around the house, just to see which ones make interesting marks, which ones flow nicely, whether they actually work at all, and need throwing away. Not throwing away necessarily, can be recycled of course. So I had a sort out, and then I've done a few tests here just to give you some ideas as to how you might like to try how you can build up tones or draw tones with a ballpoint pen, whatever sort you pick. And in this row, I've just simply increased the pressure. So I've come in, it's the usual thing, by habit I automatically move my hand away from the mark making end of the drawing implement so I can hold it loosely and try and make the very lightest mark possible. And you see, you can almost shade like a pencil, like that. Just very, very lightly marking the paper. Then I've walked my fingers a little bit closer to the mark making end so that I can increase the pressure. Okay, make a darker tone, coming in a little closer still. And this necessitates resting my hand on the page or on the drawing board, I feel. And then using quite a strong grip on the pen, and pressing on and building up a darker tone. So that's this way where the pressure has just gradually increased. In this row, I've gone back to a fairly loose grip on the pen. I've made my faintest layer here, and then I've gone over it again here with this about the same amount of pressure, possibly increasing the pressure slightly. The third one, I've gone over it again, and I'm taking a slightly different angle each time, so what you're getting is a bit like cross-hatching too. So you're covering up more of the paper. You can see the little spaces are left in between the marks, which create a tone of grey. So there's a third, the fourth, just the fourth layer, just simply in a very relaxed way, I have to say. Quite relaxed and chilled and not worried. Just adding another layer, gradually filling in more of the white paper. Further layer up to about here now, I should think. Giving it stronger tone, layering, and then aiming for that darkest area. I suppose I have increased the pressure a little bit as well, but it's more about the layering than the pressure, and by taking different directions to fill in the marks in the surface. So you see what a lovely, lovely, beautiful graduated range of tones I can get. I could probably sit here for quite a long time just enjoying this feeling. It's really good, it's nice, it's lovely. How about you have a go too? You could switch off the video at this point, do your own little bit of mark making, and come back to me when I will be doing a drawing of my trusty friend, this beautiful stone, okay, which has scope for plenty of light and shade, tonal value, I'll take a photograph of what I draw, the subject, and include that somewhere, somewhere on the video, or somehow send it to you, so you can see how my subject relates to the drawing. TTFN.